In this video, let's talk about nesting, the conditional flow, and loops that we've learned so far. So basically what I mean by nesting is putting one inside another. Let's start with the for loop that we learned. So for in so if I'm going to run this 5 times, I can do something like, say I made a variable here, var num1 equals 5, and I can say if, so I can put this if or conditional flow inside the for loop. So if I do if num1 is greater than 3, then run this piece of code here. So like print the case is true. So if I ran that, it works. But let's say I made this num1 is greater than 3. So I made this num1 is less than 3. Since 5 is not less than 3, this won't work. Here. And we can do this with for loops too. So I can actually nest a for loop inside of another for loop. So if I said 0 is, or I want to run this for 3 times. And if I ran this code here, so print, let's just make it print. Or actually, let's make it test. So how many times do you think this will run? Basically, for every time that the piece of code inside the for loop runs, it runs another for loop. So this prints 3 times every time that this for loop executes. So it's actually 3 times 5. So it's going to run 15 times. So if we run this here, yep, you can see it ran 15 times. We can also do this with while loops and pretty much everything.